Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix sleep mode not working on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management and click on app list. If you want to fix this problem, scroll down and search clock app and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache clock app. After clear cache clock app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on again settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix sleep mode not working on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.